Hello everyone, I am here today to do my official OwlCrate unboxing. Now, obviously I've already opened it up and taken things out of little boxes to make it a little bit easier, but I wanted to share with you all the great things that come in OwlCrate when you get a subscription each month. Alright, so it starts off by giving you this wonderful little card that tells you all about the things that are in each box. Each box is themed for something. This one is themed star-crossed, so we're going to start with this. And they're all in some way inspired by books. So this beautiful hanging organizer. Dreaming of a life where everything is in the right place, looking to add some more organization into your life, this hanging fabric organizer will ensure that you have plenty of space to stash your trinkets and treasures. Inspired by, told you, Strange the Dreamer, the gorgeous pattern printed on this item was designed by Off the Hook Studios. So all these studios and shops are small businesses that you can obviously order things from as well. Okay, so here's the hanging organizer. Put that here. All right. There's a couple different bookmarks. This one right here. It's beautiful. This is the Unseelie bookmark with gorgeous character art. And this book is coming out in 2023, so next year, which is very soon. All right. And it also came with these bookmarks. Okay. Show you each one. Those are the fronts. The backs. All right. Star-crossed and tragic, there are many bookish couples that have won our hearts through their defiance. Designed by Kim Karlika Art, this bookmark set pays homage to one of the most well-loved romances in YA history, with the first bookmark featuring Akiva and Karu from Daughter of Smoke and Bone, and the second featuring Elias and Leia from An Emperor in the Ashes. Okay, so there's those. These are super cute. Okay, they are actually salt and pepper shakers. Okay, inspired by the forbidden love that flourishes between Louise LeBlanc and Reed Diggory in one of my favorite series, Serpent and Dove. This ceramic salt and pepper shaker has been lovingly designed by Leachin and Limestone. So beautiful, beautiful. All right, and this is another one that's one of my favorites in this set. Okay, it's a little for those of you tea drinkers. Okay. Defy the stars and stay up late with a cup of tea. This tea bag rest, inspired by these violent delights, has been designed by Lady Chubb Letters and will be perfect for all those evenings where you whisper just one more chapter to yourself. We've also included a matching silicone tea bag. Look how cute that is. Beep. To add some bookish flair to drinking your loose leaf tea. And I am a loose leaf tea drinker, so this is perfect for me. Okay. And then this beautiful canvas bag, packaged within a canvas bag designed by Wink and Wonder. These Bridgerton-inspired heart straws ensure that you stay hydrated after watching all that spicy banter between Kate and Anthony. So look how cute these are. So the metal straws, but look, they're little hearts. So cute. And it also comes with a straw brush too to clean them. And then each month there is a different pin. Okay, so I have a nice collection of them. This is this month's pin. Okay, inspired by Outlander and designed by artist Hey Atlas Creative, the 12th and final collectible literary luggage enamel pin has us all longing for Scottish moors and a romance that transcends time. So this year, 2022, they did, each of them were in these like little luggages, and they were all inspired by the different months. Okay, so this is the December one. All right, and last but certainly not least, the book that comes in it. All right. So this is The Poison Season, and each one has a nice little author's note about the book that's written in there. I usually like to tape it inside the book so it stays there. Outsiders are always given a choice, the forest or the lake. Either way, they're never heard from again. Lilo has spent her entire life on Endva, coexisting with the bloodthirsty forest and respecting the poisonous lake that protects her island from outsiders who seek to destroy it. But as much as Lilo cares for her community, she struggles to accept that her younger brother will be exiled by his next birthday unless he gains the magic of enchanted songs so vital to Endva. When Lilo sees a young outsider on the verge of drowning in the lake, she knows exactly what she's supposed to do. But in a moment, that will change everything. Lily betrays her family, her best friend, and Angela by making an unthinkable discovery. Unthinkable choice. Discovery could lead to devastating consequences for both Lilu and the outsider, Jaren. But as they grow closer, Lilu realizes that not all danger comes from beyond the lake, and that they can only survive if Lilu is willing to question the very fabric of her society, her people, and herself. Okay, so that's the poison season. So brand new. Usually OwlCrate institutes a exclusive cover art too. Okay, so this is the outside. Then on the inside, beautiful cover art. So this will be different if you were to go to like Amazon or Barnes & Noble. The cover is going to be different. This is an OwlCrate exclusive. They do this with all of their books. Okay, so you can look out for my review of this book come January when I read it. But otherwise, that was our OwlCrate for this month. So enjoy, and we'll see you next time.